welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Halloween makeup tutorial. This is Pumpkin Queen Halloween makeup. Halloween is just around the corner and I decided to create this look for this year's Halloween. And no, it is not a very complicated look. It is actually very easy to recreate. So yeah, before starting, if you're new to the channel, then hi, I am Meeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. For today's look, I'll be using this particular water activated face paint palette which I got from Walmart. And since I do not have any yellow or orange eyeshadow, I decided to mix that red and yellow shade together to create an orange shade, and I'm just applying it all over on my face. I'm not applying it actually on my eye area as well as on my mouth area. And I wish I had a bigger brush, but it is what it is. We have to roll with it. So this step is pretty self-explanatory. You can totally see what I'm doing here. And do not worry if my forehead shade is looking a little lighter, because when it dries down, it actually dries down a shade or two darker. It's time to create those teeth, and for that I'm using an angled brush and my Rimmel London gel eyeliner, and I'm just creating those pointy teeth that the pumpkin has. Just like that. And for the lower set of teeth, I am trying to match the upper set as much as I can, otherwise it might look a little uneven and funky. So yeah. Now I'm just filling up that teeth area. With this step, you have to be a little bit careful. And that palette has black paint, and I'm using that black paint. Yeah, so you have to be a little careful with this step because you do not want that black paint to be everywhere. It has to be under that lining, that teeth lining that we just created. And for my mouth area, I decided to use that black gel eyeliner because I do not want to use a paint on my mouth area as well as on my eye area. It's just a little safety concern for me. Taking my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, I'm just making those teeth a little more pointier. That's not even a good English. Little more pointy. You get it, right? Because a pumpkin has to have little pointy teeth. Now it's time to create that nose area, and with this eyeliner brush from Morphe, I'm just creating that nose part. All these steps are pretty self-explanatory, so you can see what I'm doing here. Done. Now taking my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, I'm just outlining the eye area. It will just help me to place that eyeliner, that black eyeliner, and it will just guide me, you know what I mean. Taking that same Rimmel London gel eyeliner, I'm just filling up that circle that I just created, and I'm applying it all around my eyelids, underneath my eyes, and basically everywhere. And do not worry if it is looking a little uneven and patchy right now, because I will be using a black eyeshadow on top of it, and it will take care of everything. Taking a matte brown eyeshadow from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just shading and creating those lines that will give it a pumpkin-like appearance. And I think the shade that I'm using is Cheap, and I'm applying the same shade on my hairline as well, just to shape it further. And I did not want that gap between my scalp and my face. And taking that matte black eyeshadow from the same palette, I'm just applying it all over on that black gel eyeliner, just to make it look a little more even. I'm just drawing those lines again with the same brown eyeshadow called Cheap. And I'm trying to match those lines as best as I can. Taking that black paint, I'm just creating some cracks. Again, it's just all about those details. With those cracks, it will give it more characters and more I would say liveliness to the look. Just some random cracks. Taking that bright yellow paint, I'm just applying it basically on the border of that brown eyeshadow. Again, I'm kind of shading it. It will give the look, that character, and you know, it will just make it look lively. And also that fiery effect. That is it. And for the final touch, I decided to use this red wig that I got from Walmart, and that is it. I truly love how the look came together. Isn't it easy? Just tell me. At first, when you look at it, it might seem, oh my god, it's so hard to recreate, but it is actually not. And I'm so happy how the look came to, and I'm so happy the way the entire look came together. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fun Halloween get ready with me video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, I hope you subscribed, and yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.